Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Jetta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.